Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Radha Devidasi with Vasant Panchami special recipe. Basant Panchami is coming soon. This festivity marked the beginning of spring season. On Basant Panchami, the temples are decorated with yellow-orange flowers and the deities in the temples, especially in Vrindavan, wear yellow and green color. In Rajbhog Seva, Malpuas, Kesar Rabdi, Laddu, Kachori, Biranj, Halwa and other savories are offered which are all yellow in color. So celebrating this auspicious festival, we are going to make Besan Halwa or gram flour halwa. Like every other halwa recipe, this Besan Halwa requires only a few ingredients which are easily available at home. So let's get started. First take 1 cup of gram flour or besan in a pan or kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina or rava. Roast them on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes or until it fragrant and slightly golden in color. Stir it continuously. This step will remove the rawness of the besan. After 6 to 7 minutes, it has roasted well. Turn off the flame now. Next, heat 2.5 cups of water in a vessel. Add 7 to 8 saffron strands. Saffron will give amazing flavor. Here I am adding 2 to 3 drops of yellow food color. This is optional, but if you have, you add it. This will give a wonderful color to the halwa. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Mix and dissolve it completely on low flame. Here no need to make any strings in the syrup, just we have to boil it once. You can see here the syrup is boiling. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now keep the flame low and add half a cup of ghee in the roasted besan. Mix it well and roast the mixture on low flame only until the color will change in light brown. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. We have shared many Vasant Panchami special recipes and yellow color recipes also. You can find all in Vasant Panchami recipes playlist, which link has been shared in the description box below. After 6 to 7 minutes, you can see the changes in color and texture. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon of chopped cashews. Now roast them along with the mixture on low flame for 1 minute. No need to roast them separately. After 1 minute, you can see the dry fruits and besan have also roasted well. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of milk. Now add it gradually. Add and immediately mix it on low flame. You can observe the texture of the besan. Next, add the sugar syrup that we have prepared. First, add half amount of sugar syrup. Combine all this well on low flame. Make sure to no lumps remain. Now add all the remaining syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. At this stage, maybe you feel so much syrup in the halwa, but later besan will absorb all the syrup. So mix it well. Here you can see the halwa is leaving the sides of the pan and the texture is also smoothened. At last add 2 tablespoons of ghee in the halwa. Keep the flame low only. This will give the halwa a glossy and smooth texture. With this, our besan halwa is absolutely ready. Turn off the flame now and serve it. Here I have garnished the halwa with chopped pistachios and some dry rose petals. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Srila Prabhupada says you will be surprised to know that Krishna is realized through tongue, not through eyes, not through ears, tongue, of course. After tongue, the other senses are following. Tongue is the chief, so we have to control the tongue. How to control? Chant Hare Krishna and taste Krishna Prasadam. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.